On the third night of our epic 4-day camping journey, we sat here together, sharing a romantic moment, just listening to the sounds of nature, relaxing as we watch another beautiful sunset. Every evening here, we had a beautiful sunset. And that wasn't the only beautiful thing we experienced that night. Not only did we have the sunset, but we again had a perfect view of the Milky Way. And we were blessed enough and lucky enough to see a rarity here. We got to see a beautiful aurora. Look how bright it was, how beautiful it was shining over the mountains. Big Dipper was clear in view as well. It was an absolute gorgeous night. The next morning we woke up to the clouds rolling over the mountains and sunshine, and we had a few little critters that welcomed us in the morning. Here we have a hickory tussock moth caterpillar. Look how pretty it is. I tried my hand at fishing again, and I sat here for a couple hours fishing. It was such a relaxing morning, but again, I had no luck. The osprey that had greeted us the morning before was here again to greet us this morning. And as I was fishing, I spotted this cute little aquatic salamander. So cute. After a relaxing morning, we were ready to finally get out on the trail. So we are off to the North Country Trail. This is the trail just along all of the campsites at Handsome Lake Campground. Much happier with this campground than we were with the Hopewell. There was only a couple other people camping. They were very respectful and followed the rule of not making noise after 10 p.m. And we've had the best views here so far. And now we're gonna hike what I believe is part of the North Country Trail that's actually going through the campground. And we're gonna see what we come across, but as you can see,
it could also be the Tracy Ridge Trail.
So there's no diamonds and no markers, so I'm not exactly 100% sure, but look how beautiful it is. And here's some more campground sites. You can see ours down there. So it is a nice little campground for boating or hiking only. So now we've enjoyed the views in the morning and at night, and now we're finally ready to get on the trail and see what kind of things we're missing out here on the trail. Oh, we're to the edge of the Handsome Lake here, the little cove. It looks like you can see the cove is. Yeah, the cove is over there. Here's the cove. So where I've been fishing at, it's been from over there. You can see our canoe. So now we're standing on the opposite side of that, and this is the whole rest of the cove over here. So pretty cool. Well, I think we're about to get ready to do some climbing, possibly. We've reached the end of Handsome Lake Cove. I'll see if I can give you guys a cool view of that. I hope we can get a cool view of it. If anybody knows what that sound is, not the knocking sound. Pretty sure that's a squirrel or a woodpecker. If you know what that sound is, that almost sounds like a cat, let me know in the comment section below. If you know what that is, let us know in the comment section below.
Now we're right here about this tack. That's
North
why it
Country
says
Trail.
we're here, North Country Trail. We're going to continue down here. Maybe we'll do a loop and come back.
All right. That's our plan. What kind of fungus is this? Let us know in the comment section below. I think it's turkey tail.